Okay, I got the lens cap open. And I'm taking some pictures. This is where I'm staying at. Triangle Motel. That's what I see out the front. That's what I see in the other direction here. Big mountains all around. This is where I'm staying. Big mountain there. There's my truck. It's a big mountain. I think I'm going to ride up it today. It's like 4,000 feet above the valley here. Over 13,000 feet in elevation. And there's mountain in the other direction.